Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Erin Condren personalized planner. I ordered it, I should have got this stuff ready before I started filming. I ordered it on August 6th. Today is August 24th. It was originally projected to be here around September-ish, I believe. Yeah, it said it was supposed to be here around like August 26th, so it came about like 2 days early. And so we're just about to open her up. I don't have anything to open it with, so I guess we're gonna use this ruler. It shouldn't be that hard. So here's the box. It's nice light blue. Has Erin Condren on the side. Hopefully this works because there we go. Okay, so it just opens like that. Has parchment paper. I like the theme that they got going on here. I like it. Open her up. It says, "Hello and welcome. Thanks for your first order." And then it comes with these gift stickers. And then it comes with two other gift stickers on the back. Now we have the Holy Grail. We got the planner in here. It's on top of bubble wrap. So yeah, it's on top of bubble wrap. So here we go. Here's the deals. Has my name on it. It's a little glare from the window. Has my name on it in purple. And the Pisces sign all over it. Here's the back. Open it up. I don't know why it has little things in it, but Erin Condren, yeah. I'll put the price of how much it was on the bottom of the screen because I don't know at this moment. I'm just really excited because I got it because I ordered it in the beginning of August, it gave me the option for it to start in August 2020, but because the projected ship wasn't until like the end of August, I was like, I might as well just get it for the start of September. So it takes about a month to make it because it's custom, because like obviously the colors and your name, if you're gonna get that on there, you don't have to. I just wanted something more personalized for me. Here's the little inside cover. Like a nice little notebook page. So it comes with the little laminated months. Like I said, it starts in September and it ends of August of next year. So that way, like, depending on how school goes and whether or not Corona's still around, yeah. And then it comes with all these nice little stickers in there. I don't know. Should I do a plan with me video? That'd be so cool. So it has calendar up until December 2021. I can't wait to start using this, honestly. I'm about to get into the heat of my studies in college. I had class today. I had 3 classes today. Luckily, my lab class did not meet yet because it's online. And we didn't figure out the online lab stuff yet. So that's cool. This stuff is really cute. I think I'd recommend this to someone. It's really nice. It's an academic planner because I'm in college. I should make a video about that coming soon, and I feel like that's all. Here's what a random page looks like. So it has a to-do list for each day of the week and everything. This is September. I didn't start. I don't even have all my syllabuses yet. Syllabi? I don't know. And I think if you pay an extra $10, I think it's 10, you can get like extra note pages in there. Let me see if there's no pages after every month. Yeah, there's no pages after every month. But I believe that if you want extra note pages in there, then you'll be able to add that for an extra $10.
Here's a look of what the cover looks like and inside. Here's a look at the calendar and one of the little quotes in there. I just wanted to show you guys a up-close look. So here it is.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.